HANMI Semiconductor Corporation Ltd. In South Korea. Founded in 1980, Hanmi Semiconductor spent decades developing semiconductor packaging, inspection, and assembly equipment for the global chip industry. As artificial intelligence drove explosive demand for high bandwidth memory, which is popularly known as HBM, Hanmi's thermocompression bonder technology became a critical enabler of the memory architectures powering modern AI accelerators. Today, the company occupies a strategic position between memory manufacturers such as SK Hynix and Micron, and therefore the AI computing platforms built by companies like NVIDIA. In many ways, Hanmi actually represents how 40 years of packaging innovation became one of the hidden foundations of the AI revolution. Before we discuss Hanmi Semiconductor itself, let's first understand where the company sits within the global semiconductor ecosystem. When people think about semiconductors, they often think about chip designers such as NVIDIA, AMD, Apple, Google, or Amazon. But long before an AI model can actually run inside a data center, an enormous industrial ecosystem must work together. And Hanmi is one of those pivotal companies in that industrial ecosystem of capital equipment. The journey begins with lithography companies such as ASML, Nikon, and Canon, whose technologies enable the creation of semiconductor patterns on silicon wafers. You can see it on the left. Those wafers are then manufactured by leading fabrication houses such as TSMC, Samsung, Intel, SK Hynix, and Micron. This is where Hanmi Semiconductor enters the picture. Hanmi specializes in some of the most critical capital equipment used in advanced packaging including TC bonders, hybrid bonding systems, vision placement technologies, inspection equipment, grinding systems, and laser solutions. These technologies help transform manufactured chips into highly advanced semiconductor packages. Those packages are then assembled and tested by companies such as ASE, Amkor, GCET, PTI, and Tongfu, enabling advanced architectures including HBM chiplets, 2.5D integration, 3D integration, and co-packaged optics, which is actually what NVIDIA, AMD, Broadcom, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and Google are doing. So ultimately, these technologies become part of the AI infrastructure, powering modern data centers, cloud computing platforms, automotive AI systems, and high-performance computing. In many ways, Hanmi actually occupies one of the most strategically important positions in the semiconductor value chain. It sits at the intersection where manufactured chips become high-performance computing systems. What's particularly interesting is that Hanmi did not arrive at this position overnight. Its current role in the AI ecosystem is the result of more than 4 decades of deliberate, strategic evolution. So let's look at how the company's marketing strategy today on its own developed from 1980s to what it is now.